When you add your logos to your Canva brand kit, you'll want a few variations, including one that works on a light background and one that works on a dark background. Let's look at an example logo. The text and graphic are in a dark color, which looks fine on a light background. But the moment I place it on something dark, the contrast disappears and it becomes almost unreadable. What's needed is a white version of that logo. If you don't have a reverse logo and can't get one from your original designer, here's a way to create a white version in under a minute using Canva's Duotone filter. Select the logo on your design page and click Edit in the floating toolbar. From there, go to the Filters section and choose See All. Scroll to the bottom of the filter panel until you see the Duotone options, then select Custom. You'll see two settings, Highlights and Shadows. Change both to white. That's it. The logo is now fully white and will stand out clearly against any dark background. To save it for future use, you can download your updated logo as a PNG or SVG with a transparent background. That gives you a clean file you can upload directly into your brand kit. Downloading with a transparent background is a Canva Pro feature, so you'll need to be on a paid plan to do that step. If you're not on Pro yet, you can start a 30-day free trial at brendacadman.com/upgrade. It works with your existing account and nothing moves.